Hi everyone, so today I've got a few jobs to do. I'm going to be building a new bench at the bottom of the garden to put the ewes on as they're just stuck in the bed. Clean the little pond out and water all the trees. So no time to chit chat, I need to get outside and get the work done. So while I'm cleaning the little pond out, I think I'm going to make a bench down in the bottom of the garden. I have all this wasted space here, so I'm going to put a new bench along there out of that aluminium sheet. Then I can get the ewes out of the bed and get them into some better light over here. Let's get cracking. Finally got the pond done, started watering the trees and the heavens has opened. So I'll have to build me brackets for the bench inside the shed. So what I'll do is I'll get the dimensions of that and I'll make the brackets in the shed where it's nice and warm and not wet. So as it's pissing down outside, I'm going to have to try and make them in this little small space in the shed. I've got the sizes I need. They're 640 wide by about 8-9 inches deep. So I'll make a few of them brackets, then we'll put the cross members in to support the bracket. There's going to be a lot of noise, so I'll just do this with a little bit of music. But all I'll be doing is measuring, cutting a few, come back and put them together. I've only got a handsaw, so let's go. So I've got a brew in hand with capital on. Time to start making some brackets.
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away, loving for another day. But she asked for something more. She asked for, yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She asked for, yeah, she asked for, she asked for something beautiful. She mystifies me, tell me what I did wrong, I plead. Never did I think we would be loving for another day. But she asked for something more. She asked for, yeah, she asked for something beautiful. Something beautiful. Yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She asked for, yeah, she asked for, she asked for something beautiful.
So I have my 3 brackets done now. I just needed to stop raining so I can attach them to the wall. I need to move a few bits down there before I can do that. So time for a breather because I'm padded cutting that. But it's treated timber, so I don't need to worry about painting it yet. I can do it later on, just as long as I get the bench done. The rain's stopped now, so I'm going to attach it to the wall. It's 27 on a Saturday, so I've got a can of my smokes ready to help us through this painful process. So I'll just crack on and get it attached to this wall.
I'm heavy breathing, feels like I'm lucid dreaming. I'm not usually the type to rush into the night. This time I can't be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, my knees on the floor. I'm begging for more. It's you I adore. You took me to see Versailles in the middle of July. I'm falling to the deep end, giving into my feelings, afraid to go on this ride. I'm scared to crash inside. This time I might be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more.
Lots of brackets up in the bench done now. What I just need to do is get the ewes out the flower bed and I'll put them on here. I might do that in a bit before I finish watering the trees, because I need to water this bottom half of the garden. Still on the first can, so went pretty well. So I'll get cleaned up and we'll get some ewes out of the beds and put them on here, and that'll be the first time you've seen the ewes since I pruned them back from Belgium. So in theory this should hold the ewes. It holds a fat man's weight like me, so it should do. Plus it'll give it a bit of protection for the wind blasting over onto these ones. Need to put the fence back in. Ewe number 1. Plus I can turn them on the benches now where I can't really turn them in the bed. The best thing about this alley grate and all, it's like a vent, a louver. It's got mesh on the top so the air can circulate. So it might be a nice bench this. I do have another one of these in the van, which I could extend further along. Might foul the gate a bit, but we'll see what happens in future. Dead branch there. We'll get some scissors and we'll cut them off. This would be a nice bench to work on your trees actually, this bugger. This bugger. Might have to come to that. So take them in the workshop and take them on there and away. So as you can see, these three, you've seen the one up there, the Cascade. These three have put a lot of new foliage on. These are nice and tight. I don't know if it's because it's been in the shade, but it looks lovely. But they are starting to put on a lot of foliage, considering it was only March or something, February, when I cleaned them right up. Also with this bench being big, I've space to put some little ones on, because I'm running out fast. The water drains off, canny. Here's a quick look at the ewes. As you can see, there's a canny bit come on them. Sorry about the background, obviously the other trees is there, but they're looking well. So I'll get the rest watered. Okay, so that was just a little video on building a bench for the ewes, as they were just stuck in the planter and they weren't getting much light. We're now at and turn it. I'm quite happy with the way the bench worked out. It's pretty solid. If I don't keep the ewes on it, I can use it as a sun lounger when the sun's out. Nah, but that's it. That's just a little short video on what's been happening this Saturday. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!